you're looking at daylight, and then you're looking at soft light, and you can definitely see the difference between the two. You got your white, and as you're looking at this one, it's yellow. Alright, so okay, next one we're going to go ahead and get the high beam out. I'm excited. See how this looks at night. How it's going to work for me tonight. My hand on this one. Alright, so this one's a different tab. Different setup too. That's the other right one. This is the left one. Ooh, that's not mate. That one's not mating. Oh, that's got a different. That's got a different mate too. Well, darn. That would be this one here. It's got the same hookup rings as you see, but the plugs aren't the same. Ugh. Wow. Yep. Plugs on that one aren't the same at all. Yep. Well, don't that bite. I gotta get in touch with these people. H10 600K. That's the right hookup for that. I wonder. I'll have to go take a look and see if the lights on the LT. This is a hybrid, so it may be a different. There may be a different light setup on it. So I'm gonna have to run out there and take a look at the hybrid and see if those are different for that. Maybe these fit that, and they don't fit the hybrid, because the other one is identical as far as years. It's just one's a hybrid and the other one's not. That's the thing. That's the only one that's not working is the high beam. The high beam's not the same. The fog lamp one is. Go back this way and pull that. This is the fog lamp. And these have the same. These got the same plugs. See if it'll fit in the hole. Yep. So it'll work for the high beam or the hook for the fog lamp. The only thing that's not hooking up is the high beam. See, that's what they give you for a high beam, and that's what they give you for the plug for the high beam. Now I'm sure I could rig this. This doesn't get you don't get a seal ring for this one. I bet I could rig it, but I don't know. I need to check. I'm gonna go out and take a look at the 06 real quick, the LT, and see if it works on that. All right, I just got back. I just pulled that cover off. They're identical. So, unfortunately, I'm not sure what I gotta do. As we know, the fog lamps are right and the low beams are right, but the high beams are not right. So unfortunately. Okay, so get in touch with the company here and tell them, hey, what do I do now? I'd hate to have to rig those, because what I'd have to do is you'd have to cut this pigtail and then solder it onto here and then put it in. I think. What's this deal? I can't get to do either one. To pull out or pull in. Huh. Let me shut this down for a minute. Okay, there's a secret. Who knew? This bulb pops right out of there. So there's the answer. Who knew? That bulb pops out. Oh, I almost destroyed that freaking my pigtail here. Almost. Okay, put that cover back on. Okay, put the plastic thing back on. Who knew? Okay. Alright, we're locked down. Yeah, who knew? Okay. So I bet you this will plug right in there. There you go. Oh, who knew? Alright. Figured it out. Alright. So that doesn't even have to leave the... You don't have to unplug it from that one. All right, wait on back in. All right, put the out here. All right, so there we go. That was the secret. Let's see if we can get this in there. I'm killing my hands here, buddy. I'm glad I got small hands. If you got big hands, you ain't getting in here. Ow. Get around that. Oh, man. Oh, okay. I'm going to strap it down tonight. I hope. Let's go another direction. Move around the pigtails here. Oh man. Oh, come on. Something. Get your butt in there. Come on, come on, come on. I better get my hand in this. Issue. I think the other side would be easier, but no problem is you got to pull the battery out. Can't tell, which I can't tell from out here. Actually, that one. Yeah, okay. We're almost there. I think. Oh, okay. So pigtail's got to be straight down. Nice, but I guess it's not. That's the locking device. Why is this missing? The locking device. Oh. I wonder if it's missing. These are missing the freaking lock rings. Yeah. Oh, terrific. No. I'm messing around. As you can see, they got this black underneath there. You got this black locking device, and this is missing it. So it won't lock in. There's no way for it to lock in. Can't mess around. This time there's no locking ring. All right. That's hard. Yeah. That lock. All right. Let's get the hook back up. There you go. Messing around. I gotta call him. I got a defect. Jesus. Or I'm doing something wrong. Back to them now. You can't reinstall the cover. Ah! Okay. It's a seal cover, but then, it's keeping the crap out of it. You're not gonna close the freaking cover. Alright. Great. Yep, it's not coming out either. Two malfunctions here. Alright. I gotta get going. Oh, what time is it?